In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change voice on ChatGPT. If you like listening to your AI assistant, choosing a voice that matches your preference can make every interaction smoother and more enjoyable. I'll walk you through the exact steps, explain where each option lives, and share a few quick tips so you know exactly what to expect. Start on the main ChatGPT screen. Look down to the bottom left corner of the window. You'll see your profile icon. This might be your photo, your initials, or a generic avatar. Click that icon to open your account menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This opens a panel where you manage your basic preferences. Inside Settings, go to the General section. Here, look for the voice option. It will have a small drop-down arrow beside it. Click the drop-down to reveal the available voices. You'll see options like Spruce, Breeze, Juniper, and Sol. Each one has a distinct tone and rhythm. Some sound a bit brighter and more energetic, others are warmer or more relaxed. So the best choice is simply the one that feels right to you. Before you commit, try a quick preview. Next to each voice name, there's a play button. Click play to hear a short sample. Take a moment to notice clarity, pacing, and how it sounds on your speakers or headphones. You can play multiple samples back to back to compare. There's no need to save anywhere. Once you click a voice, your selection is applied immediately. When you're happy with your choice, you're all set to continue using ChatGPT as usual. The next time voice is used, it will speak in the voice you just picked. And remember, you can come back to this menu anytime and switch to a different voice. Nothing is permanent. A couple of quick notes to help you get the most from this feature. The best voice is the one that keeps you focused and comfortable, especially during longer listens. If you often use ChatGPT in a quiet office or crowded space, you might prefer a slightly calmer tone so it blends in better. And if you're following along with tutorials or long answers, choose the voice that you find easiest to understand at a glance. That's all there is to it. Profile icon, settings, general, voice, pick and preview, and you're done. Enjoy your new listening experience.